Please subscribe to my dad's YouTube channel. He's the smartphone guy.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Donovan, the smartphone guy, coming back at you with another video. So last night I did a video comparing the Samsung Galaxy S7 over here, it's not over here, and the LG G5. And last night I was giving you 5 reasons why I think the LG G5 is the better buy. So tonight I'm going to follow that up with another video, and this time I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why I think the Samsung Galaxy S7 is the better buy out of the two phones. So I've had the chance to, use both of them for a little over, well, for the Samsung Galaxy S7, I've had that one for about 3 weeks now. And for the G5, I've had the G5 a couple different times, but roughly about 2 weeks. So enough time to get to know the phones pretty well. So number one, the first reason why I think the Samsung Galaxy S7 is the better buy is the build quality. This is something that you've probably read about, you've probably watched other videos about it, but the build quality of the Samsung, the S7 is just absolutely phenomenal. Now, I have a dbrand skin on the back of mine protecting the back glass, but the build quality of the S7 is top notch. Now with the G5, that's another thing, a little bit of controversy. The G5, you've heard about the all metal body that isn't really necessarily all metal. Well, I can tell you this, I put a case on my phone anyways, so the build quality isn't a huge deal to me, but I mean, let's be honest, the S7 definitely has the better build quality out of the two phones. The second reason why the S7 is the better buy is the waterproofing. So the Samsung Galaxy S7 is IP68 certified, which means you can put it, dip it in water. I haven't tried this, but of course you can see other videos where people have done this. And you can put it underwater up to 1.5 meters, so about 4.5 feet, and it can be there for 30 minutes and still be good. So G5 obviously doesn't have that. So the waterproofing is reason number 2. Number 3 is the screen on this phone. So the screen on both phones are Quad HD. They're beautiful screens, but there is no doubt that number 1, the S7 has a brighter screen. There's no question. You can put the two phones together at 50%, at 100%, doesn't matter what percentage you have it at. The S7 is the brighter screen, and it also pops more. Now, with that being said, the G5, I think when you look at it, has a little bit more natural coloring to the screen, but the S7 has, I think, the best screen you can buy on a smartphone. It's just from my personal point of view, and I think most people would agree with me, but it's the best. The next big one, and this is probably one of the bigger ones for me, this is the one that makes it tough to switch. So you can see that I don't even have my SIM card in this one anymore. I put my SIM card in my G5, which is what I'm filming this with. But for me, the biggest reason why the S7 is the better buy is because of this thing, the fast wireless charging. So I've done some videos where I did a review of this PlusOn fast wireless charger. The fact that you can wirelessly charge your phone in about 1.5 hours, to me is just, it's fun. It's great. I go to work, and I'm on my phone once in a while at work, but right before I go home, it's nice to just set my phone on the wireless charger, and I have full battery by the time I leave. So that's a big one. The G5, I kind of wish they would have included that. The HTC 10 doesn't have that either. It's kind of like the G5. They decided to go with the fast wireless or fast charging, but not wireless. And they do use Qualcomm 3.0, which is a plus. A little more efficient than Qualcomm 2.0 that the S7 uses, but not having wireless charging, kind of a bummer. So reason number 5 why the S7 is the better buy, and this is, for someone like me, I buy, sell, and trade phones a lot, and Samsungs have better resale value. So, if you're someone who, you don't know if you maybe have your phone for a month or two, and then you decide, you like to switch phones like I do, I like to try them all out. The Samsungs and the iPhones, Apple phones, without a doubt, hold their value much better over time. LG, HTCs, they just don't hold their value like Samsungs do. The S7 is still going for $550, for the 32 gig model, and the G5 is already going for $500. So they just don't hold their value quite as well. Now, I think a lot of that has to do with the marketing and things like that, but for sure that is something to consider. So those are my top 5 reasons why I think you should buy the S7 over the G5. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the weekly giveaways. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video.